inform the airport police immediately.
I'ma break you off, let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight. Baby, turn around, let me give you innovation.
That's gonna be my little lunch for the day.
If you like Fendi, look at the beautiful
Oh yeah. Let me tell y'all one thing about traveling solo. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Disha. As you can tell from the title, I took a solo trip and I am in Miami. I've been meaning to start the vlog before I even got here, but guys, I just been running late ever since. And right now, as you guys can tell, I am rushing to the first thing on my itinerary, which is the Miami District walking tour or something like that. Right after I do my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and head out and drive there. This mini vacation that I took is definitely for my mental health because guys, I've been burnt out with working, dealing with my house and my kids without any breaks. So I done took a break on my own, and if you know me, you know I don't have a problem taking a break at all. I am not a hairstylist, and the way that the hairstylist actually do my edges is definitely hard for me to imitate. So I'm doing the best that I can, but I don't have time to entertain my edges right now because I got to go. This is the best that I'm gonna do. I'm not even gonna fight with them. That's how they wanna lay. That's how it's gonna stay. And today's outfit theme is pretty in pink. So I got this nice pink set, my nice pink bag. I got some shades. So this is my outfit for the walking tour. I'm also gonna go ahead and bring my little flip-flops because I don't know, it's my first time wearing these shoes and I don't want them to start hurting my feet and feel stuck walking for the whole entire tour. I have to drive there. It's about 15 minutes. Hopefully it'll take me like 5 minutes to find parking, and that will be it.
Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it.
Another cool thing is that the parking here is just $3, and then after that 4 to 6 hours, and then 25, I guess, for the whole day. So it is super inexpensive.
Whatever you'll see onward is more sleek and glossy, and this is more tactile. He also created this overhanging, which is really cool. It's as though like it's open framed where the clouds act as the painting, and then it graduates into longer and longer rest frame.
Yeah.
Acts as the painting to the sky as well.
Beautiful.
Isn't it stunning?
It is.
Have you been here before?
I have not.
So here's one really cool gallery, just if you want to pin it for later.
Okay.
It's by this artist, which is in resin. This is in resin. And the original was by Velázquez, and this is Queen Isabella of Spain. Yeah. Shadow, it's super nice. If you want, I can take a little quick picture of
Okay.
you, or you want to just film, whatever.
Sure. Beautiful. I love that. That's one of my favorites.
So when you look, it's called infinity.
Yeah.
You look up, down, left, right. It's like it's traveling in a twilight zone with you.
And it looks like it goes beyond.
Continual.
That's amazing.
No matter which angle you take a photo of,
Yeah.
that's what it's gonna do. Yeah.
Wow.
This is a private restaurant and club.
Oh.
And so basically you need like a reference
Okay.
to be able to become a member.
Nice. Beautiful greenery. Beautiful.
So this is cool because it's done by the same architect who did the steel plates.
Okay.
And these are actually in concrete.
Wow.
So it's wood that they applied when it was wet, and once it dried, they removed it and it left its imprint. So
This
that's
is
pretty
beautiful.
nice. Here's a very funny artist who did this piece called Bus Stop.
Wow.
And he's from Switzerland, and he just loves to disorient. So he clearly succeeded because you come into this very upper echelon district, and all of a sudden you come across
A
this
skeleton. Yeah.
A drop of water was included in his piece.
Oh.
The drops continuously into the eye socket of the skeleton, creating this puddle. So all
Wow.
of that's intentional.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
A drop of water drops into the skeleton's eye socket and then creates a
yeah.
puddle
Isn't that
of
great?
water. Wow.
You know, they have to wipe down the wall from time to time.
Right. Real mushrooms grown from the tree bark.
The Sunoco sign, the
Oh.
sculpture was done in 2016.
By Virgil Abloh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's like an even more collectible now that he passed.
So do those numbers change according to our gas prices?
No.
They stay the
no,
same?
this was done in 2016. Those were the prices in 2016 when he did them.
Wow.
Yeah.
High
Senior
school.
Can you imagine? Senior high.
Beautiful.
And
Wow.
so this is a public school. It's also a magnet school.
Beautiful.
So anyone that's talented enough and gets in
Yes.
is able to like build their contacts and
Oh
so
my
forth at
gosh.
such
That
an
is
early
perfect in
age,
this area. Perfect.
right? And even the fences like
Aristotle and who's the other guy?
Plato.
Plato.
Student.
Okay.
Plato.
Tiffany Pop-Up Cafe. Beautiful. Tiffany Blue.
So it's a real 1 month, that's it.
That's different.
And if you like Fendi, look at the beautiful
Oh yeah.
yellow.
Are all the Fendi stores yellow?
Well, that's what they're most notable for. the
Okay.
yellow. So that's the menswear store.
Okay.
Louis Vuitton. That's what Virgil Abloh was working on just before he died.
Wow.
So he never really got to see the completed store.
Oh,
He died
wow.
1 week before they opened.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Incorporated her concept, and they have real installations in several countries.
Yeah.
But here they're just recreated a small version. Here the highway shows you the edge. And that's a piece by John Baldessari, an artist from California. And then that whole front of the garage is a triptych. So there's 3 sections and it's seen from the highway. And when you look, it sort of acts as the billboard to the district.
Ah. Look at these buildings.
And
Wow.
the beautiful bay. It's a great
Oh yeah.
space. And we have Wynwood, which is just about 15 blocks down. That
Okay.
way.
That's where you were telling me about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Here it's like people love to come up because of the beautiful, bright colored walls.
Yes.
And they go and jump up there and take these pictures. They go into the netting. Collins Avenue, just to kind of give you perspective. This is the neighborhood just next to the district, Buena Vista.
Buena Vista. Okay.
Beautiful.
I've heard of it.
And the homes went up.
I'm gonna go down this slide. It goes down 1 level. I got too much skin out, honey. I am alive. I'm alive and well. I survived the slide.
He's obsessed with the manga animation and also like video games.
Okay.
And you see the mouse and the cloud and
Right.
that kind of thing.
Right. This is cool.
And you see here it's kind of like puzzle pieces.
Oh yeah.
Similar to a highway, so some people feel like it's roads on a highway. This
So
one's my
cool.
favorite because the cars are repurposed. Yeah.
Beautiful.
And you see
Look
the
at
tail
that.
lights illuminated.
Yeah.
So cool.
Oh, it's a shell of the car.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then they have muscle cars. Each one, like there's 4 or 5 models. That's what they are.
Wow. Wow.
Brushed steel with these purple inserts.
At night it illuminates purple.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I have to stop by in the nighttime.
Yeah.
It's like you're walking into a tunnel.
Yeah. So great. So that is by Buckminster Fuller. He's a 20th century inventor. And that also acts as the entrance and exit to the garage. Going in and out, they're entering and exiting to their car.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Nice. This is beautiful.
It's a nice space. Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah, they have the blue. You probably noticed these sculptures with animals. They were done by a special sculptor that Armani hired.
Oh.
And they all represent love, like with animals. And that's their collection.
It's a rhino with a koala.
Rhino and koala, that's it.
That is cool.
So as you can see,
Yeah.
there's these gray walls everywhere. wanted to conceal. And so she put up these very thin glass fins.
Okay.
And in so doing, she moved her eye away. A clever move. And you see the beautiful, iconic palm trees and the gorgeous blue plexi. Virgil Abloh had his winter collection here one year.
Wow.
They had the Chanel fashion show here, utilizing 1,000 trees surrounding the area.
Wow.
It's stunning.
Wow.
And this is a new mural by a Brazilian South African artist. It's mirror images.
Beautiful. Wow, that is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's so many photo opportunities. So that's a famous architect from France, Le Corbusier, and he's worried about placements, right?
Oh.
And then again, the dramatic effect with the palm trees,
Beautiful.
and the gorgeous blue plate kind of asset.
Beautiful. This is the Dior Cafe. Hello. Hello. Thank you.
Isn't it nice?
Yes, it is. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay. So guys, I'm thinking hear me. At the end of the tour, she brings you to the Dior restaurant. So I'm now having the cappuccino, an almond croissant, and that's gonna be my little lunch for the day. So the tour is over. It was probably maybe an hour and a half. Usually takes 2 hours, but I was the only one, so it wasn't too bad. Now I'm trying to walk back to the parking garage. Let me tell y'all one thing about traveling solo. You are so paranoid with the whole trafficking and stuff going on. It is scary. I'm looking left, right, and center, checking my surroundings, because especially in places like this, it's a little dark and secluded, you hardly see people. But other than that, solo travel is definitely the thing to do, especially if you have your own vehicle, you have your own itinerary, you get to relax when you want, and you get to do what you want when you want. So that's definitely a plus, and it's just so peaceful. Nobody to bother me. I love it. That's pretty much it. But see this guy trying to talk to me, I'm trying to ignore him. That is gonna be it for the vlog. It was pretty cool learning about the history and the architect and the designers who put together this district. It's basically gentrified property, and if you want to tour Miami, it's definitely something to put on your to-do list. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be here for a few more days, so I'm sure I'll have more things to show you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and post notification bell so that every time I upload you are notified. I'll see y'all later.